Hey, it's Michael from Distro Mike, and today I'm going to answer the question, how can I fly with a vape? So the TSA has their guidelines very clearly written out. Essentially, you can fly with vapes, however, you cannot put them in your checked bag. They must be on your persons or in your carry-on. The reason they have these rules is they do not want your lithium batteries, your vapes, inside of your checked bag that then ends up under the plane, because if there's some sort of battery defect or a wire defect, and that vape starts heating up, or that vape explodes, or that vape catches fire, now everything at the bottom of the plane is also going to catch fire, and then the plane is going to crash, and everyone's probably going to be very, very injured. So you just cannot check your vapes into your checked bag. You must put them on you or in your carry-on. Now, a few weeks back, I took a trip, actually a business trip, out to one of our customers, and I actually loaded up an entire suitcase with about 500 vapes. I put it in my carry-on luggage. I then walked through security. We put the big suitcase full of vapes on the conveyor belt. It went through security. They didn't even stop us. They didn't even ask what was in it. But yeah, that's the honest truth. You can fly with vapes. Just put them in your pocket, put them in your carry-on bag, but you cannot put them in your checked bag. How many vapes? Doesn't really matter either. You can have 1 vape, 10 vapes, 1,000 vapes. As long as they're in your carry-on bag or in your pockets, you should be fine. That can be a nicotine vape, could be a cannabis vape or a Delta 8 vape. Now, when flying with Delta or weed vapes, you do need to be a little more cautious on where you're flying to. If you're flying to a state where cannabis is not legal and they find those THC products, you could possibly get in trouble. I personally always fly with a weed vape to every state I've ever gone to, even states where it's not legal, and I've never had any issues at all. So if you're flying to a non-legal cannabis state and you want to bring a vape or two, you probably are okay. Just don't bring too many. And if you're flying to a legal state, you should definitely be okay flying with a couple cannabis vapes. I don't know the true legality, so don't hold me to this. From personal experience, I have taken hundreds of flights and I have never once had any red flags, any questioning, never had any issues flying with vapes. I just always have them in my carry-on or in my pockets. Hope that answers all your questions. If you have any more, please let us know. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more.